How is United Nations architecture unique in New York? Have you ever wondered what makes the architecture of the United Nations headquarters in New York City stand out? This iconic complex is not just a building. It is a symbol of global diplomacy and cooperation. Located in the Turtle Bay neighborhood of Midtown Manhattan, the United Nations headquarters features several key buildings, including the Secretariat Building, General Assembly Building, Conference Building, and the Dag Hammarskjöld Library. The most recognizable structure is the Secretariat Building. Designed by an international team led by Wallace, it includes contributions from famous architects like Le Corbusier and Oscar Niemeyer. This building was the first skyscraper in New York City to feature a glass curtain wall. This design choice allows for a sleek and transparent facade, reflecting the mid-20th century ideals of openness and collaboration. Architecturally, the Secretariat Building is a tall, rectangular slab without setbacks, which sets it apart from the traditional stepped skyscrapers found in places like Rockefeller Center. Its blue-tinted glass facade, double-hung windows, and horizontal vented bands at mechanical floors highlight the innovative heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems of its time. These features show how the building combines aesthetic appeal with practical function. The entire United Nations complex was built on land generously donated by John D. Rockefeller, Jr. His vision was to secure New York City as the headquarters for the United Nations. This act of generosity, along with the international collaboration in design, emphasizes the unique status of the complex as a symbol of global unity. The General Assembly Building plays a vital role as the home of global diplomacy. It hosts annual meetings for representatives from 193 member states. This function adds to the architectural significance of the site, making New York City a central hub for international relations. Over the years, the United Nations headquarters has undergone several restorations to maintain its architectural integrity while adapting to modern needs. This ongoing care reflects the importance of the complex as both an architectural landmark and a living institution in New York City. In essence, the architecture of the United Nations headquarters is unique in New York because it combines modernist design, advanced building technology, and a powerful symbolic role as a center for international diplomacy. This makes it a distinctive landmark that embodies both architectural innovation and global cooperation.